Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get wheat for your recipes in Heartopia. So as you can see, when you're level 1, you're able to cook cheesecake, which you need wheat for. So I was wondering what this was. You actually have to be a gardener, like a level 2 gardener, and then you'll be able to purchase your wheat seeds from Blanc. So you have to be again level 2 hobbyist on gardener, and then you'll then be able to cook the cheesecake with the wheat. So let's just start cooking. So if you're wondering what that was, you just need to be a level 2 gardener, and you'll be able to get that ingredient, so you don't actually get it from buying it from the chef, but you do need to grow it yourself. It takes 4 hours to grow it, and yeah, you are now able to make cheesecake. Yay! And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.